Hello, my name is Marina Payares. You all know me from last year when I was your kids' advisor too. I'm very happy to be their senior advisor also this year. Let me begin by saying that I will be on leave for the next 2 months, and they have assigned another teacher, Brad Miller, who teaches theater tech, to cover for me during these 2 months I will be away, but then I'm coming back. Um, you all have my number. Your kids have my cell number. If there is any problem, you can always email me. You can always call me. Um, I am in touch with the kids. I am in touch with Brad because once I am on leave, they will have to rely on Brad, the new substitute advisor. But I had talked to all the kids, they know I'm here for them. I know this is going to be a stressful first semester with the coronavirus, all of them trying to do college applications. I don't know how many college visits they can do at this point, but I'm here to support them. I'm here to help them with anything they need. And please, you know, you can help me. You can give me any pointers. If you need me to check on something, you only need to contact me. And I hope to see them in person very soon. Okay, thank you.